Well, it certainly looks bleak, dismal, bad for crypto, right? Not a lot going on right now. We have been pushed back from some pretty significant gains that we've achieved here as of recent, in the last month or so. We've given up those gains. Now we're at 1.55 trillion and it looks bad. But here's the thing I want to remind you of. There are good times coming. There is a significant upside potential here. There is a rally in our future. And it really comes down to, are you okay, biding your time? The analogy that comes to mind for me is, I don't know why, it always goes back to water in the ocean. And I think of it as I'm just treading water, literally kind of treading water until, the skies get, blue and sunny and all that kind of stuff. And right now it's kind of gray and cloudy, if you will. And so there you go. I don't know if that metaphor helps you, but what it comes down to is that it looks bad for crypto right now, right? We've got quite a bit of stuff out there. We've got the SEC delaying BlackRock spot Ethereum ETF. Shocker. I mean, you sense the sarcasm, right? That's there. We've had Bitcoin be pushed back from 49,000, Ethereum be pushed back from about 2,500. Solana's been pushed back. Everything XRP is about to break down below into the high 40 cents range. Cardano's pushed back. And you can just kind of feel it, right? You can feel that there's not a lot of good right now in crypto. And I guess really the point of me making this video is to kind of have this fireside chat with you, have this dialogue with you to kind of let you know that we've been here before. We're going to be here again. But ultimately, remember, ask yourself that question. Do you believe that crypto is going to get bigger down the road, a year, 2, 3, 4, 5 years down the road? Because right now the crypto market is a $1,550,000,000,000. The entire crypto market, that's how big it is. And so, well, do you think that's going to go back to 2, 3, our all-time high, 5, 6, 7 trillion? If the answer to that question is yes, you got nothing to worry about. In fact, the silver lining here is that you should be buying. You should be looking at opportunities to buy. I've talked about this in videos in the previous couple of days. If we see Bitcoin go to 35,000 or 32,000, which is kind of our low end, I'm going to remind you that Bitcoin, every single time before the halving, which is supposed to happen in April, Bitcoin always has a pretty dramatic dip leading into the halving, and then it runs up. Okay. So we could see Bitcoin rolling into February and maybe even March, Bitcoin going to 35 or 32,000. I think worst case is 30, but somewhere in there. I've talked about this in videos in the last couple of days. Expect another 10 to 15% move down across the board for any and all major cryptos that you own, because it's all going to flow with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin moves down to 32,000, as an example, which from there is about a 10 to 15% move down, about 12 to 15% move down. Don't do math in public. Then you're going to continue to see Ethereum is going to go below 2,000. You're going to see everything go down. Solana dropping down maybe into the, oh man, that could drop down in the 70 range. I'm going to be buying. That's where I'm going. I'm buying. I'm viewing it as a buying opportunity because I'm going to take you back to that question. I believe that crypto is going to be bigger. I believe that good times are ahead. There is absolutely, opportunity out there, right? Top analyst says 600 days of bullish momentum still ahead for Bitcoin. I still believe this. Okay. Price prediction target. I've already told you about that. Bitcoin price prediction, 35,000. Okay. 30's worst case, in my opinion. That's kind of what the analysts that I follow, that for real hardcore technical analysis, that's what they're talking about. That's what we're seeing. Okay. So that's it. That's what I got for you in this video. I wanted to make you aware, if you need to, Margex, links in the description below for a referral link. If you want 20% deposit bonus, you get an additional 20% on top of anything you deposit. Combined liquidity of 12 exchanges in one place. I love these guys. This is where I do some trading myself. Great platform. They have leverage, all that kind of stuff. Okay. Also, I'm waiting for a buy signal. I've talked about it already, but I'm waiting for buy signals for Bitcoin. Like for my software to signal. See the screen right here. See this, the screen right here, this momentum up. I'm waiting for that to be right here. Okay. That's for Bitcoin. I mentioned it for Solana, same kind of deal. I'm kind of just waiting to see how that plays out. So software links in the description below. By the way, this to give you some insight. Like back here when this momentum up was sparked all the way to that, it's a 415% move up. $1,000 in would have made you $4,157 in profit. Okay. So I'm waiting for that alert. That alert's going to be sent to this device. Boom. If you want to pick it up, links in the description below. If you want to pick up my software for yourself, at least take it for a test drive. There's a discount code down there, by the way, you can use that makes it $37 for a month. That's a little bit more than $1 a day. Isn't $1 a day worth it for you to get better insight, know when these alerts are going to go down for XRP? Look right here. I'm waiting for an alert for XRP. ICP. I'm waiting for an alert for ICP. SHIB, if you care about Shiba Inu, Solana, Bitcoin, you can use it for anything. Oh, by the way, you can use it on stocks if you want. This is the Netflix stock, and there's my software working on top of the Netflix. So if you want to know when to buy and sell stocks, Netflix, Apple, Amazon, you can. Crypto, all that good stuff. Links in the description below. All right. So just chill, basically relax. Looks bad for crypto right now, but it's going to change. The matter is when. I think we got some more volatility ahead of us leading into the February and March. Good times are ahead, though. See you.